morning, everyone. All right, this is Shagufa Kidwai, Principal, Pristine Private School. I would like to thank KFI Global for coming here to the school and conducting such an engaging session with the post-16 children. Indeed, it has been a wonderful afternoon today, where children have actually learned skills of financial literacy, something which I wish I could have received at a very early age, but I didn't have that opportunity. And financial literacy, in my opinion, I feel that it is something that children require as they move out to the university for their future. It will guide them and benefit them in all possible ways as they venture out in the big wide world. I would like to convey my thanks to Emirates NBD for this CSR initiative. The children have really benefited today with this.
Hello, my name is Mahmoud Ahmed from Year 13. I'm a student in Pristine Private School, and today I attended the KFI Global program on financial education for students. And before it started, I really didn't think it would help me much because I always thought, oh, I'm knowledgeable at least on money, on how to budget. So I really went in thinking it wouldn't be much help. I think the way they interacted with students and involved them by asking questions and also getting answers at the same time, it was a great way of making us pay attention and really absorb the knowledge that was given to us. So I'd like to thank KFI Global and Emirates NBD for sponsoring this program.
Hi, this is Sayyida Isha Fatima. I'm a student at Pristine Private School. I'm in Year 13, and I'm really glad that our school took the initiative of the KFI Global program because it was quite interactive and helpful. We got to learn a lot about financial literacy, and I would definitely recommend this to students like me out there because I think it teaches you a lot of things that you wouldn't know about otherwise. And I'm just really grateful. So thanks to Emirates NBD for sponsoring this event.
Hi, my name is Aisha Shah. I'm a Year 13 student at Pristine Private School. When I had first learned of the KFI Global program, I did not really believe that it was useful. But once I've started, I realized that this program has been more than helpful, and it's really shaped the way I see finances going forward. The instructors have made this program really engaging and easy to grasp, and I could not be more grateful for being a part of this program. And honestly, this program has really changed the way I will think about finance.
Hello, my name is Talha Waqas and I'm from Year 13. The way that the program was introduced to us was very interactive. Students were given a chance to question and answer, while also they were able to have fun while doing it. Another thing that I liked about it was that they were very concise and straight to the point, which allowed us to have a better idea on what they're talking about. And now I would like to thank Emirates NBD for sponsoring this program.